Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change primary field here on Airtable. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Airtable, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the primary field in Airtable is a straightforward process, but it's important to note that the primary field is a key identifier for each record in table, so it should be done carefully. And how you can change the primary field in Airtable. Number one step is just simply go to the Airtable base where you want to change the primary field. For example, I'm going to be looking at this base. Now, you need to click on the table where you want to change the primary field. Now, all you have to do, for example, I'm going to change the primary field of this specific table. Just right click on it and you see, simply click the change primary field. But it says that the primary field cannot be changed because this table is externally synced. Because we have a separate video on how to link your bases. If you want to check that, you might want to do so. Just look up on our YouTube channel. I'm just going to go to the home page. I'm going to select another base here so that we can simply right click on the field. And you see there's going to be an option that says change primary field. Now on the primary field, it says that it's in the reporting starts. You can choose like here, like it's going to be reporting ends. You can use the campaign name, campaign delivery, ad set budget, ad set budget type, attribution settings, results, result indicator, reach, impressions, cost per results, amount spent for US dollars, and end. So it's all up to you depending on, of course, your preferences and needs. Now, let me tell you that I'm going to change it to report campaign name instead. Changing the primary field, what will happen is, just wait for it. As you can see, it is now has been changed to the campaign name, right? You see that? Now the campaign name has been changed. If you want to change again the primary field, you are welcome to do so. For example, ad set budget. Just wait for it to load. And by changing the primary field in Airtable, it is a decision that can enhance how you manage, view, and interact with your data. It's essential to carefully consider the implications of such changes to ensure that it aligns with your overall data management goals and processes. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.